Hey everybody, and on today's episode, we're gonna make some trainer soup. Chloe trainer soup. It's probably not gonna taste that good, but we'll give it a little taste. Hey girl,
Hello.
how you doing, sis?
Okay.
So we're going to dip her braids in some hot water while it's in braids. Her braid is in the braids. Braids. It'll curl up, and yeah. Friend, how do you feel with your braids?
Good. They're I gotta get some for my scalp because it's a little,
A little itchy.
a little drying up now. It's been like a week.
So, if anybody has any recommendations on what she, hey. No, it's soy mujer.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, yeah, she's gonna have to. We're gonna have to buy her. The lady who did her hair suggested to get, uh, what did she say?
It's like cocoa butter spray.
Cocoa butter spray. So we'll go check that out.
Dry out my scalp. Something like that. But yeah, it feels good.
That's good.
It's hard to sleep sometimes, but it's like flip over a lot.
It's hard to sleep without me. She can't sleep. Like, she has nightmares and she screams at night.
Dragons and things.
She thinks dragons are chasing her and shit. She really needs Social Security, but they don't listen.
They don't care.
Yeah. So I'm stuck babysitting. I gotta go over there and watch these kids. Lord have mercy.
Why are you wearing a face mask?
And, I don't want people to see my face today.
You should wear it all the time.
Look at my hair is brushed back. Whatever. It looks like I have like a little.
Like what?
I don't have no hair. I'm bald headed. Hey, burping girl. What was that?
I burped. I'm hungry.
No ladylike. This scares me because it gets so hot. It's so hot. Use the bottom. The bottom one is the clean one, right? Yeah. I think you just do it in the pot.
Use one of the black cups, retard.
No, I think I'm just gonna dip it in the pot.
Oh, you're gonna hold the camera at the same time.
I have the tripod up. Oh my god. Okay, do you guys remember Catfish and this one scene where this one Jotito came out and he was pretending to be a girl and he was using a fake voice? I found him on TikTok and bitch, he's so cringy. Yeah, so what up, guys? Yeah. And I'm just like, huh?
Can't say Jotito.
I can say Jotito.
Okay.
Why not? Anyways, I'm a Jotito. You're a Jotita. So let's take one out. Nice. Look at these nice little curls. Ooh. I bet it feels good taking them down after them being tied up all night, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it does. Feels lighter.
Last one. You want to keep the towel on, or?
No, it's fine.
Beautiful. That looks so nice, doesn't it, guys?
Yes.
I really like her braids. Like, I'm thinking about getting my hair braided, but I spent all this money on these wigs, and I just love that I could take a wig off at the end of the night. You know what I mean? And at the end of the day, the most important thing is to be comfortable. Yes, queen. So yeah, we'll check up on you later, I guess. Bye.